Hi, welcome to the Geoscientist. Today I'm going to show you the workflow to how to create this projection system in Petrel. So I'm going to start this new series for the tutorials of Petrel. So I'll basically start with the projection system creation, and later on I'll be doing different tutorials like data loading, well data, seismic data, and progressively I'll be progressing into other different sort of tips and tricks regarding Petrel. I've also will be doing Techlog app tutorials alongside. Uh, so this is a new series. Make sure to subscribe and share our channel with your fellow colleagues so they can get benefit from it. So let's start with the projection system creation or projection system transformation in Petrel. Uh, First of all, you have to have Petrel installed on your system. Once you have Petrel in your system, just go to the Start menu and search projection system creation, projection system manager in the Start tab here. So here's the coordinate system manager. Just go and run this one. So it will open the tab like this. I'll just wait. So here is our coordinate system manager. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to create a new coordinate system. So first of all, click on this plus sign where it is written create new reference system, and you have to paste well-known text for your coordinate system in which you are working. I have written my coordinate system projection system in this format. So you can have your own projection system in the area where you are working. So you have to bring all the parameters into this format. Like I have, for example, central meridian value at 68, scale factor, or latitude of origin. So this kind of information, which usually the companies or the students or the area where you're working, you usually have. You just copy this projection system uh, in this format and copy and paste this in well-known text. Press OK. So you can give it any name. It's up to you. So the name given over here is GCS, Geographic Coordinate System, Kalyanpur, 1962. I'll just go with this one, or it is picking the name from here. If I just cancel this one, I give it a no name zone 1 underscore test and press OK. So here you see the it changed the name in the projected coordinate reference system. I'll press OK. So there is some error to it. Okay, so it's please authority reserve. Please fix the well-known. So it's saying I have already this coordinate system manager in my settings, so I have to go and change the authority. I'll just remove the authority from here. Okay, and I'll just give it some other name. TEST test. Okay, now it has changed its code and authority is Petrel. I'll going to go and click OK. So it's generated. Now what we'll do once we have copied and we have generated this coordinate system, reference system. uh, Now what I'm going to do, I am going to make a new transformation because I have to convert this coordinate system to a WGS 1984 first. So I have to transform this coordinate system to WGS. For we need some transformation parameters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a new transform, and I'll copy paste my transformation parameters from here till here over here. So I'll remove the authority which was making an issue earlier, backspace, and I'm given it the name as a test initially. So test 1962 WGS 1984. All right. So this is going to make my transformation parameters. Okay. Ah, wait a second. Just I'll first filter out my this one. I have to make transformation for this one, this test, and now make a transformation for this one. So I'll remove the authority and I'll just copy or write test over here and press OK. All right, just press OK. Now if you look over here in the bottom in the message log, I have created transform 75,000, 750,000 for this projection system. Now using these transformation parameters, I can convert my original coordinate system to WGS 1984. So this is appearing at the bottom over here for this one. Now we have to create a conflation policy. Conflation policy is usually it is trying to like publish this transformation or the new coordinate system within the Petrel database. So what you are going to do, you are just going to click this geodetic catalog. So this is the whole catalog. Select your transformation, or first of all press create a new conflation policy. I'll just say test coordinate system. Select your coordinate system and select your transformation with transformation parameters. So for this coordinate system, you are using these transformation parameters and it will convert this to WGS 1984. And a new CRS will be added with the same name in the Petrel database. I'll click OK. So this has been added into your Petrel database. Created conflation policies 70,001 test coordinate system. Now I'll go to Petrel and I'm going to open new project. select CRS. I'll just search test. I hope it will be here. So here is my test coordinate system, which I created now. I'll go into the details. So these are the parameters which I initially entered. So it is using these parameters. Using this transformation, it is converting it to WGS 1984, and click OK. And your project is ready to be started or follow data loading. So that's how you create the coordinate system, or make a new project starting with the projection system generation in Petrel. I hope you have got you have got the clue how to start it. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. uh, Whatever confusion you have, I'll try to answer as much as I can. See you in the next video. I hope so. Meanwhile, also share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be thankful. All right. Bye bye.